If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on subscribe button and hit all bell icon to get notification on channel updates. Hello viewers, today I am sharing you another healthy cake recipe with banana cupcakes. This recipe doesn't take much time to prepare. It is not only kids' favorite but elders too would love to have it. Shall we start? We are going to prepare the cake with these three main ingredients: bananas, wheat flour and organic jaggery powder. You can replace with white or brown sugar as preferred. This is 100 grams of butter packet. I am taking 1/4 of it. You can also use any refined oil which has no flavor like sunflower oil. But do not use groundnut oil as it changes the taste of the recipe. Firstly, preheat the pan with 1/2 inch of sand or salt. Keep the flame low and heat for 20 minutes. The cake can also be prepared in pressure cooker, but remove gasket and whistle. Let us prepare the batter now. Take a large bowl which is convenient for mixing. Add 2 ripe bananas. Take the ones that are with brown spots and are soft, as they have more sweetness and are easy to digest. Mash well with a fork or use blender. Add melted and soft butter or oil. Whisk well. Make sure the butter is at room temperature and is soft. It should be kept outside from fridge at least 1 hour before you start your preparation, or you can melt butter by slightly heating it on gas stove. Add 1/2 cup of organic jaggery powder. Now take a sieve and add 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 spoon of baking powder, 1/2 spoon of baking soda. This is to ensure that no lumps are formed. Gently stir on top and then mix. Add 1/2 cup of boiled and cooled milk. This is optional, but it adds more taste to the cake. Add tutti frutti as many as you want. You can also include choco chips. Add 1 spoon of vanilla essence. Add water or milk little by little and mix well. Use spatula to mix. Cut and then fold. Repeat the process to avoid forming air bubbles. The consistency of batter should be medium thick. Not too thick, not too thin. Now we are all set to bake the cake. These are silicone cupcake molds and are non-sticky and heat resistant. Small steel cups or tumblers can also be used. You can also use teacups. Grease butter. Here I am using 1 steel cup also, just to show you how the cake comes out. For normal cake, use cake mold or any vessel. Transfer the batter to the cups. Do not fill the batter more than 75% of the cup. Leave this cap for the cake to bake. Gently tap 2 times to release any air bubbles if present. Now, while the pan is still on low flame, place stand or plate. Carefully place a steel plate and then the molds. Close the lid and bake for 25 to 35 minutes. After 25 minutes, keep a check for every 5 minutes if the cake is baked. Now let us test with a toothpick. Insert at the center and the toothpick should come out clear. Look, this is not so hot. Take out all the cake molds. Leave it to cool down completely. Serve these delicious cupcakes to your family and have a great time. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.